What's up guys, MartyBlendz back with another tutorial. Today we're taking it back to basics with a simple mid fade. So if you're new to the game or still having any trouble blending, stick around as I explain step by step. The first thing I always do is debulk the entire head. In this case I used an 8 because I didn't want it to be too short. Next, using your trimmer, set in your baseline. I like to drop it a slight bit in the back just to keep it a bit darker. Also remember not to press down too much as it can make a line difficult to remove later on. Now simply remove all bulk underneath. Okay, now follow up with your shaver, but if you notice, I tend to flick out as I reach the baseline, just to reduce any harsh lines. With your lever open, no guard, make a full inch guideline. I then close up the lever and hit that halfway. If you see any line in between, use your trimmer to remove it. To fully finish fading this line, keep opening up the lever as you go up. Using the 1.5 open, go up about 1.5 inches. Right above, take out the remaining bulk you see with a number 2. If you still see any excess hair or frizz, go over with a higher number. I now use a half guard halfway open, creating a 1/2 inch guideline. Open up the lever fully and create another 1/2 inch guideline. If you can still see a line, use the number 1 to remove it. Always remember to come back in detail. This is super important. Finally, with your lever no guard, remove the last line visible. Using your corners will also help you. Any frizz can easily be taken off by some freehand, but be very careful when you decide to do this. When lining up, I always start in the middle and then move my way off to the corners. In this case, the model did have very straight hair, so I ran a razor blade over comb to decrease the amount of frizz up top. YouTube, thanks for watching. If you did enjoy this or learn anything from me today, please hit that subscribe button as it does help out the channel tremendously. Once again, I'm MartyBlendz, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.